Hi there, it's Chris Hamilton here with Sales Tip a Day, www.salestipaday.com. And today I'm going to show you how to use an email newsletter to promote your events that you might be having coming up. And I've got one coming up here on September 14th called Strategies for Marketing Bootcamp. And I've created this event in Eventbrite, and I've got all my information down here. As you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this portion right here and put it into a newsletter. So I'll show you how to do this. Now, first things first, I'm going to assume that you have a newsletter, and I'm also going to assume that you've set something up in something like Eventbrite or some other similar service. Eventbrite's great because it handles all the ticketing and all the information, and you can promote it via social media and stuff like that. So anyways, behind the scenes on Eventbrite, when you've set up something, you can go into your event after you've set it up, and here's the interesting thing. So there you see this information here, which is all this information that we had down here. What you do is, once this is in place and you like it, hit this HTML button up here and you get your HTML code. Copy all of that and then go to your email news service or email newsletter service that you use. I use Aweber. I also use MailChimp. Most of them have the ability to create a HTML newsletter. I'm just going to show you how to do it in Aweber. So I pick broadcast here, and when that pops up, it's going to allow me to create a broadcast message. So I'm going to put create new broadcast message. I put my subject in here, which is Strategies for Marketing Bootcamp. And then what I do is I go down to the bottom here and I hit source. And I take that HTML code and I just paste it in there. And what happens is when we go back, you're going to see that it's very similar to what I had. Maybe some different fonts and stuff like that, but it's very similar to what I had listed before, and it's got all the hyperlinks basically already put in. I'll do the preview of this one, and you'll see that the hyperlinks will take me back through to the page that I want, which is, I'm also doing this online, so this is my netcast page, and there's a bunch of different things in here. Anyways, long story short, this will allow you to send a template out of the stuff that you have on Eventbrite. So you can pick a time as to send immediately, send later, and include lists that you may have, and so on and so forth. So anyways, long story short on this one is if you want to keep kind of the same look and feel and send this out to a big list, is once again, set something up in Eventbrite, go into Eventbrite, and once you've got it the way you want it to look, hit the HTML up here, copy this code, and go into your email newsletter service and set something up so that it looks and feels very similar to what you have, and then send it out. And that's how you can use an email newsletter to promote your event online. Hopefully you find that information useful, and for daily sales and marketing tips, go to www.salestipaday.com. Thanks for viewing. Have yourself a great day.